Hello dear friend, I hope you all are well and doing so well. And in this video I am going to show you about a new website or new thing about an email. And you have already saw my others videos also. I have tried to create. I also try to create always to go help for your help or doing something get free as a student. And let's see, here's the option. I'm going to talking about this new website, and this is on the hub. And I hope you all know about it. If you don't know, today I am going to show you or telling about this one. And what is this on the hub? This is the academic software. You can get academic software from this website. And this is connected with many universities or educational platform. If you are a student, you can maybe get a good discount from this one, and this is helpful for you as a student. And I think that because for a student, you always can't afford a good price to buy anything for your necessary. So as a student, you need to buy in a discount so that you can compromise this. And let's start about it. Today I am going to show you about that how you can get this one the hub if you need email. And if you don't have email, I am here for your help. If you don't have email, you can knock me. I am going to help you. Actually I am sharing this for you guys so that you can educate, or you can make your journey easy, and that's I am trying to do. And let's see how do you get this. Simply click here, and there's the all options here. And I hope you all know about these websites or these softwares. Here's the all of software you need to look beneath tab, ignore VPN, and many other some options. Like I'm going to click here. There are 240 products for a as a student you can get with a good discount. Here all the products softwares look. And now how can you get this? Simply you go here, and now you need to just click here sign in. You need to wait a minute for browsing. And now you need to verify your account, and that's you are a student or not. And let's see how to you verify this. Simply click here from your click this copy your email that you have, login, and copy the email and paste it here, then verify. And now you need to put the all information about you. Let's say I'm going to put the information. I am going to this name, and the password you want to keep. Simply I am going to give my password. You can put anything if you want, and I hope the password should always match. And the match password already matched our group of who is your member. You need to just select here student, and I am not a robot. And let's see, and about then you need to just register here. You need to click here register, and after that you will see that validate your email address. We have sent you an email with the link of validate your email address. Please click the link in the email to continue. So you need to go there in your email address. After that you will got this one. So you need to just verify this that you are a student, and you need to must verify it. For if you don't have the email, you will not be you can't be verified, and you can't take these features or discounts. So you need to just click here to verify your email address. So you are almost there. Then complete validation. So now you need to put the your password. The confirming validation, and you saw that we got our account, and that's our account, and that's the all information about have here. Here you can available for student, and here the price for a student. You are a student, you can get these things from here for 3 year, for 1 year. Now let's see this one. And this one, if you are not a student, you need to pay for it. This almost $200, and here also almost $100. But if you are a student, you can only pay for 3 year on, and 3 piece you can easy use it for $49 or $50. And here's the all apps or thing that you can use them, and that's so discounted price for student, and that's only here also you can save $9. And that's it. I hope this video is very helpful for you guys, and if you think this is helpful, please subscribe our channel and stay with us. I hope this video always helpful, and if you got any problem, knock us WhatsApp or Telegram.